Japanese style crab and egg bowl. Here are the ingredients for 2 servings. Ginger juice, 1 teaspoon. Grind the ginger and squeeze the juice out. Crab can, approximately 60 grams. Open the can of crabs and pour on the ginger juice. Green onion, 1/3. Cut the green onions in half and then slice. Egg, 3. Beat the eggs and mix in salt, pepper, and 1 tablespoon of sake. Add in the green onions. Salt, pepper, sake, 1 tablespoon. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil on the pan until there is slight smoke. Add in the egg solution and mix in big circles with a spatula. When it is halfway cooked, take out. Japanese dashi stock, 1 cup. Sake, ½ tablespoon. Light soy sauce, ½ tablespoon. In a small pot on medium heat, simmer 1 cup of dashi, ½ tablespoon of sake and soy sauce with a pinch of salt. Starch, 1 tablespoon. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of starch in 2 tablespoons of dashi and then mix into the pot for thickness. Rice, 150 grams. Pack rice in a bowl and top with eggs, crab, and soup. Place cut Mitsuba on top. Serve. Again, Here are the ingredients for 2 servings.